In this chapter, we will study about statistics. The word statistics is derived from the Latin word status, which means political state. Statistics is a branch of mathematics which deals with collection, analysis, interpretation or explanation and presentation of data. It is applicable to a wide variety of academic disciplines, from the natural and social sciences to the humanities.
Mode. Mode is the value of observation which occurs most frequently, that is, the value of the observation having the maximum frequency. For discrete series or raw data, we can find it just by inspection or by drawing a tally marks. But for grouped frequency distribution, it is not possible to determine the mode just only by looking at the frequencies. Here, we can only locate a class with maximum frequency called modal class. The mode is a value inside the modal class and is given by the formula mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by H, where L is equal to lower limit of the modal class, H is equal to size of the class interval assuming all class sizes to be equal, F1 is equal to frequency of the modal class, F0 is equal to frequency of the class preceding the modal class, F2 is equal to frequency of the class succeeding the modal class. Mode of grouped data. Let us understand steps taken in this method with the help of an example in which frequency distribution of some classes are given and we have to find the mode of this data. Solution. First arrange all the data vertically and then find the class with maximum frequency. This class is called modal class. 40 to 60 is the modal class in this example. Now find L, that is lower limit of the modal class, which is 40 here. Then find H, that is width of class interval, which is 20 here. Then find F, that is frequency of the modal class, which is 5 here. Then find F0, that is frequency of class preceding the modal class, which is 3 here. Then find F2, that is frequency of the class succeeding the modal class, which is 4 here. Now find mode by using the formula mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by H. After putting all the values in this formula, we get 53.33 as mode value here.